So this is perfect for rain or sun, and it looks like it wants to rain, so we're just in time. I had to get in the car all wet, so or get off the car and get wet. All right, today we're gonna bring a carport replacement cover. Now this is a 20 by 10. It's a basic cover that covers pretty much just the top. The last one was ruined by weather, so we're gonna actually replace it with a new one. So let's go ahead and put it together and see how large it is and how good it works. Now it comes with the actual straps, the instructions how to set it up. So we're gonna go ahead and set it up here. All right, this is the final product, guys. If you guys can see, I like that they give you these metal reinforcement rings here. So another great thing is that if you lose these, all right, say you lose one, you can always zip tie them. All right, in fact, I have already zip tie a couple of them before in the past, and this is pretty much how it looks like. We're gonna raise it up now, but reinforcement, if you ever need an extra one, very durable. Now these are weatherproof, but sun will damage them, rain will damage them after a while, but they'll last you a couple, maybe for a year or two before you get a replacement. But it's very simple to get the replacement. Just keep your bars and replace it. I mean, that's what I do. This is my third cover, to be honest with you, with the same pipes. All right, so you go out last and make it last longer if you just get the replacements. They're simple. Out of the box, everything's included. All right, durable. Like I said, this is my third one. Very simple. I like the whole setup. If you guys can see, it's a one-man army. Just me myself put this whole thing together. You can't go wrong. It has a line that you can see where the seams actually meet. That's pretty much how it works. So this is a 20 by 10. Pretty good. Large enough for your carport. You could cover the sides with other pieces and make it like a little shelter. But very simple, easy to use. I hope you guys enjoyed the video.